Monday the 8th of October, time of recording 9:47 a.m. Back here with the Euro Canadian on the 1 hour chart. Remember from last week, this trade, this long trade, entry price here 27.23, exit 50 pips, 27.73, stop loss for the trade at 26.73, 50 pips. So we're out of the partial now, and just want to quickly talk through that. If we go down to the 15-minute chart, you'll remember that we placed in a trend line. Let me just zoom out a little bit here. So it was this trend line here coming up here. You can see there the price did bounce off the resistance and it came down. That trend line offered a little bit of support, broke through the trend line here, and then made a structural change once it broke that particular low there at 27.49, and initially made structural change, pulled back, and then made a sharp decline from there. So we were out of that partial trade at 127.48, giving us only 25 pips on the partial trade, so only half the number of pips on the partial trade as was achieved on the main trade, which is one of those things. But as I say, I wanted to keep fairly tight control on that partial because of the 5 waves up and the overhead resistance on those larger time frames. As we zoom out, we go up back out to the 4-hour chart. As I said before, we can count 5 waves up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and taking that partial out made a lot of sense as soon as this trend was broken because of that. So now we're back down at the neckline we were trading the break of, and so obviously a push through there and a break of this blue line just here is indicative of a larger correction happening to the downside. So I'll be watching for obviously an ABC correction to the downside. So we'll leave it there for today, and we'll hopefully see if we can pick up something else as this one corrects to the downside. Back again. Bye.